meet FleetMate, the maintenance platform that keeps your fleet running. From inspections to work orders, everything you need for smooth fleet maintenance is right here in one app. Let's get started from the dashboard. The first window that pops up once you log into your account. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your fleet's most important metrics, enabling you to monitor key information about your fleet without switching between different windows. You can view basic information, latest activities, asset statuses, and other important stuff. You can even customize the widgets according to your preferences, adding and removing them with ease. Now let's go to the Assets window. Here you can easily access all the data about your entire fleet. Each asset has its own profile where you can view everything in one place: specifications, maintenance plans, warranties, and everything else linked to it. This helps you know what's been done on each vehicle, what's coming up next, and what still needs attention. Adding new assets is also really simple, whether you're onboarding a single vehicle or your entire fleet. Just click the Add Asset button, and you'll be able to import new assets manually or automatically. If you have a telematics provider compatible with FleetMate, we recommend importing via ELD, as it makes the entire process much quicker. With the Inspections feature, you can effortlessly track inspections across your fleet in order to stay compliant and road ready. The inspection history lets you review completed inspections with all their details. To quickly spot problems, switch to the Failed Submissions tab. It highlights every failed inspection, the faulty components, and lets you create a new issue with a single click. To begin a new inspection with a predefined inspection form, press Start Inspection in the upper right corner. You can also design your own customizable inspection forms. Just go to the Forms tab, click Create Inspection Form, and pick the inspection items you want to include. If your drivers report a problem on their vehicle without submitting an inspection, you can also create and track issues directly in the Issues window, and it takes seconds. Just press Add Issue. Provide some details, photos, and assign responsibility. You can monitor all open issues in a single view and even watch specific ones to stay posted. FleetMate integrates with your ELD to automatically capture fault codes, which you can instantly turn into issues with full details. This allows you to spot small problems on time before they turn into costly breakdowns. Additionally, with our Recalls feature, you'll get notified of any manufacturer vehicle recalls through NHTSA data, so you protect your budget and never miss a fix that the manufacturer should cover. Now let's move on to the Services section. Maintenance tasks let you define routine jobs like oil changes, brake checks, or PM services. You can write notes, add more details for each task, and even calculate the costs. These tasks can then be grouped into maintenance plans, where you set up schedules for specific vehicles or entire groups. Once you create a maintenance plan, you can assign it to one asset, a group of vehicles, or your entire fleet. With mileage or time-based intervals and early reminders, FleetMate makes preventive maintenance simple and keeps you ahead of costly breakdowns. When a vehicle needs to be serviced, you can turn those tasks and issues into work orders and get the repair process started. To create one, click Create Work Order in the upper right corner. Here, you can assign jobs to technicians, select a vendor, add costs, set priority levels, and provide all additional info. Every detail is tracked, from creation to completion, giving you full visibility of the repair process and helping you minimize downtime. FleetMate also helps you keep all your service partners and suppliers in one place. Each vendor profile stores contact details, addresses, ratings, and notes. Instead of trying to find a vendor among scattered directories, you'll now have all vendor information ready whenever you need it, which is especially important for solving emergencies and cutting costs. Warranties and insurance policies are easy to lose track of. With FleetMate, you can store every policy in one place, tied directly to the right vehicle or a group of vehicles. The system not only keeps the details organized, but also sends you timely alerts before expiration dates. That way, you'll avoid lapses in coverage and prevent paying for repairs or claims that should be fully covered by your warranty or insurance. Finally, reporting with FleetMate becomes easier than ever. Our reports turn your data into insights in just a few clicks. You can track repair costs, monitor vendor performance, analyze issue resolution time, and see other crucial metrics. These reports give you the clarity to cut expenses, improve efficiency, and implement new maintenance strategies. As you can see, fleet maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. With FleetMate, every part of your operation is connected, organized, and easy to manage. Start your free 30-day trial today or book a demo to see how FleetMate keeps your fleet running.